So now I'm on Vector Studio. So now let's select the Artistic Text tool, left click, select Artistic Text tool, and now left click, and now for example I'm going to type my letter, and now Control A to select it. I'm going to change the font size, double click here, I'm going to change it to 1000, press enter. I'm going to change the style to bold. For the font I'm going to choose Arial, and now select the Move tool. Make sure here the snapping is checked, so here are the features I checked. So now I'm just going to center my letter here, and now select the Pen tool, left click. So left click here, and now in order to create a straight line here, hold the Shift key down and then left click. So here it is. Now I'm going to left click here, make sure it doesn't have a fill, click on this icon. And for the size of the stroke, I'm going to change it to 15. Press enter. And now I'm going to left click here on the edit stroke settings, left click. I'm going to check the scale with object and then left click on the pressure. So now I'm going to place my cursor here on the right point here. So when the cursor changes into the plus here, hold the Alt key down and then move it down. So now hold the Alt key and then move it down. So here it is. So now let's select the Move tool. So now I'm just going to select it, right click, transform, and then flip horizontal. I want this side here. So I want the heavy side here to be on the right. So now I'm going to select it, Control J to duplicate it. And now hold Shift key down and then move it down on a straight line. And now hold the Control key and the J key down. This will use the Power Duplicate feature on Affinity. It will create duplicates that have, for example, the same space between these two. So hold the Control key and the J key down and then create your duplicates. So here it is, and I'm going to select them. Make sure on the Move tool I'm going to select these lines here, and now I'm going to rotate it. So here it is. So I want to fill the letter R. I'm going to scale it up like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So now I'm going to select everything. I'm on the Move tool. I'm just going to select like this. So here it is. I have selected the strokes and the letter R. And now let's select the Shape Builder tool. Left click, select Shape Builder. So I'm going to change the action here to delete selected areas from objects. The drag method is freehand, the cleanup none. I checked the use style from selected area. And now I'm just going to remove the parts here. I'm just going to left click and then drag to remove the lines I want. So here it is. And now I'm going to remove these and then remove these. I'm going to remove this one, left click on it, this one, left click. I just want to keep the lines that are inside the R here. So now I'm just going to remove these like this. I'm just going to drag over them. So here it is. Now let's select the Move tool. And now I'm going to left click outside. And now I'm going to left click on the letter here and then drag it, so I don't need it anymore. I'm just going to delete it. So now as you can see we have the letter here that is made from the strokes. So now for example if I select everything, let's go back to the Shape Builder. Make sure the action here is in the minus here to delete selected areas, and now I can delete some of them here. One I don't want, so like this one here. So here it is. And now I'm just going to group everything. So select the Move tool, click on Group. So now for example you can change the stroke settings. So here to just click here and then you can change them to your liking. So I think I'm going to leave to 15 as it was. And now I'm just going to change the colors here. I'm going to add the gradient. So let's select the Fill tool. Select Fill tool. Change the context to stroke. And then I'm going to change the type here to linear. You can change any other type. I'm going to change it to linear. And now I'm going to left click on this one here. I'm going to move it up. So for example, for this one, I'm going to change it, let's say to this red here. And then I'm going to move this handle here down like this. For this one, let's say I'm going to change it to this yellow here. So I think I'm going to change it to this purple. So let's select the Move tool. So now for example, this will look much better on a black background. So now let's create a new layer. Go to Pixel. Select New Fill Layer. And then I'm going to change it to black. So now as you can see it's not working because the opacity here is 0. So I'm going to increase the opacity all the way up. And now I'm just going to move the fill layer. So here it is.